Hello everyone. Today's date is 24th February 2022. Myself Kalpesh Badane, and today's video topic is string constant full. We know the string is a final class. String is an object that represents the sequence of characters. So basically there are two ways to create a string. First way is by using literal, and second way is by using new keyword. First way is by using literal. If you create this string by using literal, then the object are that object are stored in the SCP memory area, means string constant pool, and SCP memory area are present inside the heap memory area. Inside the heap memory area, the some space are reserved for the string constant pool, so that literal object are stored in the SCP memory area. Second way is by using new keyword. If you create this string by using new keyword, then there will be two objects are created. First object are created inside the heap memory area but outside the SCP, and second object are created in the SCP memory area, means inside the heap memory area or inside the SCP memory area. But JVM will check the same content of object are present or not. If same content of object are present, then it does not create the new copy object, but it will take the reference of this object and it helps to the create an new object. So new object are created in the heap memory area. We know the string is immutable, means it cannot be changed or it cannot be edited. If you're trying to edit this string, then the JVM will be created a new string, means it create a new object. The next content is why string is immutable. Suppose we are created one string, that is a string s1 equal to welcome. So the by using this literal we are create this string. This string are present. These object are present in the SCP memory area. So if you create if you create the extra variables and its content are same, then some other variables are point to the same object, means it take the reference of this welcome object, and if you trying to change its data, then it cannot be changed. But if you trying to change, then it's a new object are created. So if you change the new string, means it cannot be changed, but if you trying to change it, then it will create a new object. Suppose we have taken two strings, string s1 equal to welcome and string s2 equal to Java welcome. So we compare these two strings by using equal operator, then the result of this comparison is false, because of the both objects are different and both objects are created in the SCP memory area. Next is if you create this two string, that is a string s1 equal to welcome and string s2 equal to welcome. So string s1 welcome are stored in the SCP memory area, and string s2 take the reference of this s1 object, and it does not create the new object inside the SCP memory, but it will take the reference of the old object. Next is by using new keyword. By using new keyword we can create the string, that is a string s1 equal to new string welcome, and second string is a string s2 equal to new string is also welcome. So if you compare the both strings by using equal operator, then the JVM it gives the result is a false, because inside heap memory area the two new objects are created, but both objects are reference are different, so it will give the result is a false. So inside the SCP memory area, the garbage collector are not applicable, because there will be copy object are not created. So, but inside the heap memory area, there will be garbage collector is applicable, because of the lot of objects are present in the heap memory area. So if you remove the any object reference, then garbage collector remove these objects. So that's all about today's video topic. Thank you.